How to add overlay in CapCut PC. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can add overlay in CapCut PC. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser and log in into your CapCut account. So on the web address bar, type in capcut.com and make sure that you're already logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, first of all, I'm going to be showing you by adding a video. So first of all, go ahead and tap on create new video. After that, it's going to direct you to the page where it's going to ask you to upload the video from your folder. Plus icon from right up, and it's going to open up the folder page or the file explorer page in the top left hand side corner of your screen. So select the ratio first of all. Select it and then you drag and drop here if you want. Now make sure not to add it next to it, above, just behind it. You'll need to make sure to add it just above the frame, or just like. And after that, you can just erase the part that you actually don't. And once you've done that, now you can just adjust. And as you can see, you can just go ahead and adjust the size of that particular image or the icon. First of all, you need to select it, and after that, you need to make sure to have not actually covered all of it. Now you can just go ahead and check all of these tools and adjust the size, quality, whatever you want. And that is how you can add overlay in CapCut on your PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.